Now, let's learn just how easy the Super Wand is to use and how anyone can scan with it effectively. Law enforcement and security professionals know that scanning for weapons is a serious business. They understand that even though their work with the Super Wand may sometimes seem routine and repetitious, they are continually looking for weapons that can maim or kill. The individual with the wand may be the only one who can prevent such a disaster. An individual should be businesslike and efficient at all times when using the wand to inspect a person. Of course, no law enforcement officer or security professional needs to be told how to handle a suspect. This video, however, is designed to offer some suggestions on conducting a search with a Super Wand, and it presents basic techniques and tips to use when scanning. Each individual soon develops his or her own methods as they learn more about the instrument and its capabilities. The goal always is to keep trying to do a better and more thorough job. To inspect a person properly, you should make certain that he or she is standing in an area where there is room to approach from all four sides. First, check the front side, scanning downward from the shoulders down one leg and back up to the other shoulder. Be careful to check around the belt line where a weapon could be hidden. Repeat this basic process on the back side. Never try to scan between the legs of either a man or a woman. It is not necessary since the sensitivity of the Super Wand is such that basic front and back scanning effectively covers such areas. Men must remove their hats, and you will always scan the hat separately.
Thank you.
If a woman has an elaborate hairdo, you'll want to scan around her head. Always be careful never to place the Super Wand in front of a person's eyes. When you get a signal, you must always find out what caused it and make certain that no weapon is making the signal.
Can you open your jacket for me, please?
You must see the object or objects causing the signal. In many cases, you'll want to scan or physically inspect that particular object. You'll often see decorative pins. Make certain, however, that the object making your detector signal is only a pin.
Something else over on your shoulder. Can you open your jacket again for me?
You must learn the reason for every detection signal you get. Closely inspecting a person's feet may cause you to bend over, but never kneel in front of a person you're inspecting. This inspection of ankles and feet will probably seem difficult at first, but once again, you'll soon develop your own techniques. After a person has removed metal objects, scan the area again for additional items. Use a container such as this to hold items removed from a person. You must visually inspect the objects that made that signal. You can even gently squeeze a cigarette pack. If you get a signal from a trouser pocket, you should never let a person merely jingle coins. Make that person remove them. You must inspect the objects that made that signal. Then inspect the pocket area again to make certain that no other metal object is present, like this weapon. Never let a person simply point to a belt buckle or necklace and try to prevent further inspection. Make certain you find the jewelry causing any alarm and look behind that big buckle. Don't let a woman merely tell you about jewelry. Trying a diversion of this sort could be the method used to smuggle in a weapon. Make certain you can see all jewelry and determine exactly what metallic object causes each signal. You'll encounter such common objects as pant zippers and bra snaps. Be prepared for them. And plenty of those cell phones.
Can you remove your cell phone for me?
There have been cases, however, when what appeared to be a cell phone was actually a gun. Remember that such disguised weapons can always be present. So it's your job to inspect all detected items of the individuals who pass before you. And if anyone should refuse to be inspected or try to cause trouble in any other way, carefully follow the instructions you have been given by your supervisors. Of course, you'll want to follow all of your supervisor's instructions about forbidden objects you detect and what to do with them, and about the individuals who are carrying these objects. Be absolutely certain of all these instructions. If you're not sure, ask questions.
What is that?
Anyone assigned to use the super wand has an important job. And this detector is an excellent tool to help accomplish the mission. You can depend on your super wand, just as the public will be depending on those individuals using it.